In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and replace in a specific range right here in Google Sheets. If you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to find and replace something in a specific range, here's how you can do it. But first, if you want some extra help with sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. So going back to the video, let's go ahead and open our Find and Replace tool by going to Edit here in the menu bar and selecting Find and Replace right here. You can also open that with your keyboard shortcut of Ctrl-H. Click on it, and here we have our Find and Replace tab. So here we can put in the words or the keywords that we want to find, but if you are, again, trying to find and replace something in a specific range, what you're going to do is to go to the search right here where you will see all sheets. Now that's a drop down that you can click on and select specific range. There we have it. Right now, the range that we have is just this one right here. If you want to select that range, just click on this table. There we go. Now we can simply select the range where we want to find and replace something. Let's go ahead and select this range right here. So what I want to do is actually search or find the word cash and replace it with something else. So I haven't completely selected my range, so let me just do that again. There you go. Now that I've selected my range, I'm just going to click on OK right here. There we have it. Or instead of doing that, what you can do is to, let me close this off, select the range first before opening your Find and Replace tab. So we can go ahead and do that. Select that range, Control-Shift and arrow down key. There we go. We've selected that entire range. Then press on Control-H or Command-H if you're a Mac user to open your Find and Replace tab. There we have it. Now we can just input the keyword or the word that we want to find, which is cash right here. Then replace it with the word currency. There we have it. So here we have the options Find, Replace All, or Done. What we're going to click on would be Replace All. There you have it. And it will tell you that it has replaced 31 instances of cash with the word currency. And once you're done, just click on Done right here. And we have successfully replaced the word cash with the word currency in this specific range. And there you have it. Now, trying to find and replace something in a specific range allows you to limit the changes that you create on your data. If you try and apply this to an entire sheet, it might affect other data that you're not aware of. So if, again, you want to do this to a specific range, you can either select that range first, or you can go ahead and open your Find and Replace tool and go to your search right here where you can select your specific range. And there you have it. That's how you can find and replace in a specific range right here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.